I made the decision to drive as near to the shore as I could in order to cool down in it while I was fishing. It transpired that things were not as simple as they seemed. Nonetheless, despite the challenges, I persevered and gradually, but surely, made progress towards the shore, never losing sight of my goal. At one time, the car got stuck in the sand. While I was trying to dig her out, the locals approached me with offers of help. I explained to the locals in Russian that I got stuck in the sand. Amazingly, they understood me right away. It appears that I had an encounter with an individual from Seychelles who is fluent in the Russian language. Local people don't know that I periodically conduct off-road driving workshops. If I'm stuck, their advice is unlikely to help, but it is worth thanking them for their attention. Subsequently, yet another diligent and observant car enthusiast made their way to the scene, displaying an equal level of attentiveness and passion for automobiles. Their arrival occurred at a later time, further contributing to the already vibrant atmosphere of car appreciation. I was absorbed in digging the car bumper. Thanks to my proficiency in the art of reverse towing, the automobile truly and literally propelled itself forcefully and unexpectedly with a sudden and powerful upward motion out of the loose particles of sand on the ground. By the way, people here can sit on the sides of pickups and trucks. In general, the rules of the road here are largely based on mutual agreement between drivers. There are no strict rules to follow.